When it comes to the internet, there are businesses with 40 to 90% profit margins. I wouldn't pick a business otherwise. So what type of business do you want to start? Number one, it needs to be profitable. I need to be paid. Number two is scalable globally. I want something that is easily scalable worldwide. And number three is my businesses that I want to start need high profit margins. When it comes to the internet, there are businesses with 40 to 90% profit margins. I wouldn't pick a business otherwise. Number four is service or software based. It needs to be service or software based. I don't care about offline businesses unless they want to come online. If it's restricted to a certain city or province, a physical product, I don't care about any of those. Make it quick, profitable, big, the potential to keep getting bigger at low cost with high margins. This is why I picked e-commerce for my wealth creation clients, and then teach them how to diversify into real estate, stocks, or crypto afterwards.